Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you guys know, we're in Edmonton and this is our official room tour. We didn't give you guys a tour of our room as yet. We've been here a couple of days. It's a little bit of a mess, but we're gonna show you guys what it looks like as well. So this is the hotel that we're staying right now. It's the Coast Edmonton Plaza. We have never stayed at this hotel before, and I must say we're pleasantly surprised of how classy this hotel is. So let's go in, guys, and take a look at what the lobby is looking like. Okay, let's go in the elevator. So this hotel has 22 floors. Press number 3, Malia. Thank you. And we are on the 3rd floor. That's one thing the higher floor, but I'm afraid of heights. That's the truth. Hey. Let's go to the room, guys. Come on. Welcome to our hotel, room 304. Okay, guys. Immediately as you come through the door, guys, you got the bathroom. So the bathroom is separated into 2 areas. You got the faucet right here. And I like the mirror lighting. Very nice. Very, very nice. Fresh towels and stuff. This is our 3rd night here, guys, so it's not as pristine as it was on the first night because we've been, living there for the past 3 days. The bathroom, guys. The bathroom where the toilet is. It has a bidet. Is that what it's called? So you got that wash and all those nice things. Premium. Premium, guys. Right? Fresh towels. And as far as the tub is concerned, nice and clean from the roof to the floor, and that's something that we really look for. So we got housekeeper to come in and kind of straighten it up a bit for us today because we've been living the life for the past couple of days. If you look here, that's all the stuff that we used at the pool the other day, wet still. Okay, then outside the bathroom, this is a double room. So we have 2 queen beds. 1, 2. Malika is over there trying not to go and have a nap, but she is gonna go and have a nap. Right? The beds are very comfortable actually. And the pillows are very firm. They are not too soft, but not too firm. So it's pretty nice. So Malika and Malia share bed for now. We have this bench right there that we just use for bags. And the nice little cushion right here. Really nice. You have quite a few lighting as well. You have 1 lamp right here. You have another lamp right there. You have another lamp beside the TV. And it's a 55-inch TV. Of course, right there is decorated with all those lovely stuff. Phone charger and key and all those things, right? We got like this dresser right here that we use for storing dirty clothes. Malia, of course, is exposing that. And we got tea stuff here. So complimentary coffee. You have a small kettle, ice bucket if you want to get your ice. You have a small fridge and a microwave. But the thing is with the microwave, not all rooms come with the microwave. You have to request it.
Take off my shoes.
Take off my shoes, please. Yeah, so you have to request the microwave, as well as these are the convenience things that you can request: microwave, kettle, wine opener, makeup wipes, toothbrush, toothpaste, choice of pillows, earplugs, shaving cream, etc., etc., etc. So those are some of the things that you can get. The painting on the wall is actually a nice painting. Something that I'll definitely buy. And we have quite a few mirrors as well. So you have a full body mirror right here. You have this mirror in the bathroom as well. Really nice. Now I like that this closet is a bit stored away. And this is where you have like a safe. You have your ironing board. You have your iron. And just extra sheets and stuff if it is that you want, blankets. And you get bedside slippers that we've been using as well. So we've been here a couple days, as I said before. So right here we have shoes lying along the ground right here, clothes all over. Well, let's talk about the view. Now, because we're on the 3rd floor, our view is really not that impressive. But this is what our view is looking like outside Edmonton, right? Yeah, so we get to see the top of the building somewhat. And yeah, you get to see some semblance of the city, but definitely not the 22nd floor viewpoint, just from the 3rd floor vantage point. This is not too bad for me because we've stayed in hotels where the view is really the train tracks. So this is an upgrade on that. So give thanks for that, right? But on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give this hotel, if I'm being very honest, I'll give this hotel a 8 out of 10. And this is probably one of the better hotels that we have stayed in when staying in Edmonton. What do you think, Donuts?
Yeah, it's really nice hotel. And as you said, it's the better one that we have stayed so far. So
Scale of 1 to 10.
8.
8?
Yeah.
8 is a fair. So guys, let's wrap up this video from the comfort of my bed. So, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please take a second to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this hotel room. If you've stayed there before, what you think about this hotel. Now, one of the things that we were really surprised about is based on the location of the hotel, we thought that we would have seen a lot more homeless persons traffic, which we haven't seen too much of. And located in almost the heart of downtown, that's something that is very, very nice. Because we have stayed at an hotel before, and yes, that was a big problem for us. So we were kind of like expecting low-key something similar, but that's not the case here at all. So again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. See you guys in the next video. Peace.